Hi all, in this video we will discuss about directory submissions. To understand directory submissions, let us assume an example of Google. Initially, when Google does not exist, people used to go on web directory site where they can find certain useful information about a particular thing they are searching for. Directory submission sites are online based sites that contain lots of useful information and that too in a categorized format. If you are submitting your website to the directory submission sites, there are very bright chances that your backlinks will be improved at a very much faster rate. Or simply, we can say in a simple terms that you will get lots of link juice to your website. Directory submission sites just ask you to enter certain information about your web page, like the title of the page, a short description of the page, a niche of the page, and it is very necessary to choose the right category for your website directory submission. There are different type of directories in which you can submit your web page. The first one is featured or paid listings. In these type of directories, they ask for certain amount of money to get your website listed in a particular directory. The second one is free or regular listing. They will charge you nothing, but at the same time there is no guarantee that your website will be listed or your listing will be approved in 24 hours, 24 days, 24 months, or when. That is totally up to the owner of the website that when it will approve your listings. Third and the last one is directories that ask for the reciprocal links. By reciprocal links, I mean to say that they will simply ask you to give a backlink to their website also, and instantly they will approve your listings. There are some tips while doing directory submissions, like number one, you should always submit your directories listings under a right category. Second, you should never submit your website to various categories in a directory site that is not belonging to your category to just get the gainful listings. Third, you should never ever spam the directory websites. Fourth, the URL you are submitting should be cross-checked that whether it is working fine or not. If it is a dead link or if it is a broken link, definitely you will have to suffer for the same. Lastly, you should never submit on the directories that ask you to put the banner of their website or ad of their website or certain other websites on your websites to get the listings approved. So, to sum up, we will just say that directory submission sites are very useful to get high quality backlinks to your website and definitely boost your Google rankings. But at the same time, we should also take care that we are not spamming any kind of directory listing sites. So that was all about directory submissions. If you have any questions, any doubt, you can ask us by just simply entering your questions in the comment box and we will try to respond you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice time ahead. Bye bye for now.